So what can I do to make myself a better candidate to ensure a successful outcome for hip replacement surgery? I think that this is a very similar idea to knee replacement surgery. It's that we want to make sure that you consider the preoperative factors that can increase your risk of problems. We know that nutrition plays a role in this, and so proper nutrition will ensure that your vitamin E and vitamin D levels are high, that your albumin levels are high, and these have been shown that if they're low, you have an increased risk of problems. Uncontrolled diabetes plays a role in increasing the risk of infection and other problems. And so we want to make sure you have those taken care of before surgery. Optimizing your weight is very important. We know that if your height to weight ratio is above a certain level, you have an increased risk of wound healing complications, infection, and the parts loosening sooner. And then the concept of prehabilitation came out 10 to 15 years ago, where we started to look at the patient and say, what can we do to make them safer before in the musculoskeletal sense? We know that if your muscles are strong and if you can go up a flight of stairs or walk a city block prior to surgery, you're going to improve your chances of recovery after the surgery. So before the surgery, factors that can be modified. We can't modify our age. We can't modify our height very much, but we can modify our nutritional status or diabetes, and those are important to decreasing the risk of complications and ensuring a successful hip replacement. Another important consideration for hip replacement is smoking. Nicotine, obviously we all know it affects the lungs, but nicotine is a vasoconstrictor or constricts blood vessels, decreasing all of the important stuff to your hip replacement to allow it to heal properly. We know that nicotine will increase your risk of infection and wound healing complications. We want to do anything we can to decrease your risk of complications, and stopping smoking or any nicotine product is important for that.